If you're struggling with black gel application, then this video is for you. So first off, the type of gel that you use is really, really important. I'm using Kirsty Meakin's gel polish here, and the reason being that it's really, really highly pigmented and I can work thin with it. So you'll see there I'm trying to work as thin as possible. I've got very little product on my brush and I'm just painting that down. So I'll start about 2/3 of the way up the nail and then I'll push that up towards the cuticle as I'm doing here. So then I'll just very gently glide that down the nail. I'm not applying a load of pressure because I don't want to leave lines in it. And you'll notice my last brush, you'll see here, when I actually apply the last kind of, when the full nail is covered and I'm just kind of evening it out, I'm using a very light stroke. So you'll see I'm just very gently, I'm trying to work relatively parallel to the nail and I'm trying to kind of float the product down the nail so it doesn't leave any indents. But again, this is a really, really good pigmented gel polish. So it does kind of, it settles really well and it self-levels. So I've never had a problem with any lines coming in it or anything. So because it's a black, and particularly with my dark colours, I tend to do this, but I'll go around with a detailing brush. So I'll take that right down into the side walls. You'll see my client's got lovely defined side walls, so it's perfect for that. And then I bring it up to the cuticle as well. I also like to, again, just even it out. If there is any kind of lines or anything, or if I want to cover the free edge, that little brush is perfect. When I go in with a second coat, I'm just using a very, very fine coat. I don't need to worry about going in with the brush again because the pigment's there, the coverage is there. I'm literally just kind of giving that second coat. And then I'll give it, obviously I'll give her a cure in between, and then I go in with my top coat. I hope that helped, but if you've got any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye now.